Hi, my name is Adam. I'm a project manager here at BigRep, and today I'm going to show you the BigRep Pro and some of its features. First, we need to install Blade. It's a free and easy to use software for preparing the prints and sending them to the printer. For that, we're going to go to bigrep.com/blade, download it, install it with a few simple clicks, and we're good to go. It's optimized for large-scale printing. It has profiles for all of our materials, and it's going to give you the best result every single time. So today we're printing an automotive jig. Traditionally they are slow to produce and expensive, but with a BigRep printer you can produce it within hours. Just import your 3D model into Blade, then you have to orient it, or you can let the software decide for you. Afterwards you select the material. We have pre-built material profiles for all of our materials, so select one, slice, and you're good to go. Blade is optimized for big prints. The Pro has a 1 meter cube build volume, which means you can print one big part or lots of small parts in batch production. Once you've exported the print job, it's easy to just upload it to the printer and start printing. I'm going to print this part with Hi-Temp CF. It's a strong fiber reinforced material with virtually no warping. It's perfect for this kind of application. The filament chamber also functions as a dry storage. It's important for engineering grade materials to ensure optimally consistent print quality. So, looks like the print is about 70% done. I can check on it remotely via the integrated webcam. The Pro has a multitude of sensors. They give feedback to ensure that the print quality is always consistent. So, it's 32 hours later, part's done, looks good. Pro prints the Hi-Temp CF with virtually no warping at all.